Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Fidelity to track investment performance and dividends, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Fidelity to track your investment performance and dividends, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Portfolio. In your Portfolio view, look for the Performance section. Click on Performance to open detailed performance tracking options. Next, find the Settings icon, which may be represented by a gear or wrench symbol. Click on the Settings icon to access customization options for tracking. In the Settings menu, locate the section for dividend tracking and toggle it to enable. You may be prompted to confirm this selection. Do so to proceed. After enabling dividend tracking, return to your portfolio view. Now, look for any current investments that may not be included in the performance tracking. If needed, add any missing investments by selecting Add Investment. Search for the investments you want to include and click to add. Once all desired investments are added, review your settings to ensure that everything is correctly configured. You should soon see updated performance metrics reflecting your investments and dividends. Keep an eye on your portfolio regularly to monitor performance and manage your investments effectively. For detailed reports, explore the Reports section within your account. Use these reports to analyze trends over time and make informed decisions. If you encounter any issues, contact Fidelity Customer Support for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully track your investment performance and dividends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.